Good morning. Well, I don't know what time it is when you're watching this, but this is, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Ralph Man's Adventures, and we're going to do another campsite cooking for you. As a matter of fact, we're going to fix a quick, healthy, and easy breakfast. We've got the Blackstone fired up. We've got some roasted garlic, onions, and yellow bell peppers from the garden. We've got some lettuce from our garden, one sausage patty. Sausage patty came from our good friends in Tennessee, Etheridge, Tennessee, Taylor Family Farms, all organic. You ought to check them out. And we've got 2 eggs, came from our hen house. Little shredded cheese, we'll add that in a little bit, but we've got the Blackstone going, and I'm going to turn this down to low, and we're going to get started cooking. We're going to put just a little bit of oil down. I just like to rub it in a little bit. It's good and hot. So I'm going to go down with our veggies. We put the veggies right there. We'll go ahead and go down with our sausage. We're going to let this cook for just a couple of minutes. Won't take long. And we'll add our eggs. It's just been about 1 minute. Veggies are starting to look good. Once the sausage gets mostly cooked on one side, I'll just flip it. Smash it out a little bit. And then just shred it. You'll see why in just a moment, but not only does it cook faster this way, but we're not going to actually make an omelet, but it's going to be a makeshift quick omelet. Get our onions and garlic and lettuce mixed in with that sausage. That sausage is already about done. All right. Now we're just going to go down with our eggs. And so I just like to slowly pour it. So that it doesn't run in too far. You can tell which way the Blackstone is sloped a little bit. Just slowly add the eggs in. And we're just going to flip this around a couple of times. Let that cook for just a couple of seconds, and we'll flip it again, and we'll be ready to take this off. Do like to make sure that the eggs are cooked all the way. Oh yeah. Hearty, healthy breakfast. There we go. Let's plate this. Not only is it quick and easy cooking, it's also quick and easy cleanup. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little shredded cheese. This is just a Mexican blend, but you can use whatever you'd like. And we've got a hearty, healthy breakfast. Let's go give it a try. That's a good looking breakfast right there. But it's not worth the effort if it doesn't taste good, so let's give it a try. The onions still have just a little bit of that crunch to them, and that's good. If you found anything helpful or enjoyable, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Also, if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe. We've got a lot of folks that are watching our videos but aren't subscribed yet, so do us a little favor and hit the subscribe button. If you found anything helpful, as I said, we sure would appreciate it. Come back and join us for the next time. No telling where we'll be. We'll pop up somewhere out camping, and we'll show you a camp tour, or we'll do some more cooking. But thanks for watching.